The smartphone market is heading toward another big shift, and this time, the spotlight is on Google's upcoming Pixel 11 series. While Samsung and Apple are already preparing customers for higher prices, Google might be taking a completely different approach. But the big question is simple. Will the Pixel 11 remain affordable, or is there something else happening behind the scenes? Over the past year, smartphone prices have continued to climb. Samsung increased the price of the Galaxy S26 series by around $100, and Apple followed a similar path with the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. Now, reports suggest that the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro models could become even more expensive, with some rumors pointing to a starting price as high as $1,399. At the same time, many analysts expect Samsung's Galaxy S27 series to receive another price increase as well. With all these rising prices, many people naturally assume that Google's Pixel 11 series will also become more expensive. After all, phone manufacturers are dealing with higher production costs, more advanced chips, larger batteries, improved cameras, and expensive AI technologies. So a price hike would not be surprising. However, recent reports suggest that Google may be working on a strategy that could help keep Pixel 11 prices under control. One of the biggest reasons smartphone prices are increasing is the cost of memory components. RAM prices have been rising, forcing many technology companies to look for alternatives that can reduce manufacturing expenses. According to recent industry reports, Chinese memory manufacturer CXMT is offering RAM chips at significantly lower prices than major suppliers such as Samsung, SK Hynix, and Micron. These three companies currently dominate the memory market, but their products have become more expensive in recent years. Because of these increasing costs, several major technology companies are reportedly exploring new partnerships. Google is said to be among the companies interested in purchasing memory from CXMT. Reports even claim that discussions are connected to Google's top leadership, showing that the company is taking the matter seriously. Interestingly, Google is not the only company looking at CXMT. Other well-known brands, including Dell, HP, Asus, and Acer, are also reportedly exploring business opportunities with the Chinese memory maker. At the moment, there is still no confirmation about how much memory Google might purchase or whether it will be used directly in the Pixel 11 series. But if Google secures cheaper RAM supplies, it could create some interesting possibilities. One possibility is that Google keeps Pixel 11 prices exactly where they are today. That would be welcome news for consumers who are already dealing with rising costs across nearly every technology category. Another possibility is that Google uses the savings to improve hardware without increasing prices. For example, maintaining higher RAM configurations while keeping the overall cost stable could make the Pixel 11 a stronger competitor against Samsung and Apple. There is also another rumor that has attracted attention recently. Some earlier reports suggested that Google might keep the Pixel 11 Pro at the familiar $999 price point by reducing memory from 16 GB down to 12 GB. On paper, 12 GB of RAM is still more than enough for most users. Everyday tasks such as gaming, multitasking, video recording, social media, and productivity apps can easily run on 12 GB without any issues. The concern is the future. Artificial intelligence is becoming one of the most important features in modern smartphones. AI-powered photo editing, real-time translation, advanced voice assistants, and on-device machine learning tools all require significant memory resources. As these features become more advanced over the next several years, devices with more RAM could have an advantage. This means that while 12 GB may be sufficient today, 16 GB could provide better long-term performance and future-proofing. For customers planning to keep their phones for several years, that difference might matter more than expected. If Google can obtain cheaper memory from CXMT, there is a chance the company could keep the full 16 GB configuration without increasing prices. That would certainly make the Pixel 11 Pro a more attractive option for buyers. But there is another side to this story. Just because a company saves money on components does not automatically mean customers will save money too. Google could choose to reduce manufacturing costs while still increasing retail prices. In that scenario, the company would simply enjoy larger profit margins. From a business perspective, that would not be surprising. Many companies look for ways to improve profitability while continuing to invest in research, development, and new technologies. For now, nothing is officially confirmed. The Pixel 11 remains months away from launch, and many details could change before Google makes any announcements. Memory suppliers, hardware configurations, and final pricing decisions are still subject to adjustment. What seems increasingly clear, however, is that smartphone prices are unlikely to stop rising anytime soon. Whether it is Apple, Samsung, or Google, manufacturers are facing growing costs and intense pressure to deliver more powerful devices every year. the Pixel 11 could become one of the most interesting phones of the year. If Google manages to maintain competitive pricing while offering flagship-level hardware and advanced AI features, it may attract many buyers who are tired of seeing smartphone prices climb higher and higher. Now the question is, would a Pixel 11 Pro with 12GB RAM at $999 be acceptable, or would 16GB RAM be a must-have feature? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest smartphone leaks, launches, and tech updates.